my pappy told me I sit on his knee about the birds and the bees and such. You can do right proud in the college crowd, but you ain't gonna learn that much. Get your degree in the ABCs and dig out the cold hard facts. You gotta sell them chickens before they die, or the eggs before they hatch.
Now I was told at the Super Bowl when the crowd let out a roar, a big old backer with a ball and a jack, and he went on in to score. The coach recalled when he spiked the balls, and forget the old cotton patch. I wanna sell them chickens before they die, and the eggs before they hatch.
Old Slugger's ball was a head for the wall, and it looked like a home run cloud. But the fielder's glove went high above and caught it for the final out. On the sporting page, he was all the rage, but they asked him how he made that catch. And I sold him chickens before they died, and the eggs before they hatched.
Now the boxing king climbed into the ring to fight for the title bout, but a right to the jaw was all he saw, and the ref was counting him out. The manager said as he shook his head, son, you done lost this match. You gotta sell them chickens before they die, and the eggs before they hatch.
High and low for the secrets to success, and he didn't stop till they got to the top of old down old West. And old guru told him all he knew as he thumbed through his artifacts. You gotta sell them chickens before they die, and the eggs before they hatch. Be yourself like nobody else, and you might become a millionaire.
Your reply when you wonder why, how'd you make all that scratch?
When you sold them chickens before they died, and the eggs before they hatched. They want to know how you made that dough. Just sell them chickens before they died, and the eggs before they hatched. Get your degree in the ABCs. You gotta sell them chickens before they die, and the eggs before they hatch.
Now I was told at the Super Bowl when the crowd let out a roar, big old back with a ball and a jack, and he went on in to score. The coach recalled when he spiked the balls, and forget the old cotton patch. I wanna sell them chickens before they die, and the eggs before they hatch.
Old Slugger's ball was a heading for the wall, and it looked like a home run cloud. But the fielder's glove went high above and caught it for the final out. On the sporting page, he was all the rage.